How to create an image from a simple sketch and build it up towards a finished piece. In today's video, we'll break down and explain each step of the painting process, as well as look at another important aspect, which is how to make a clear black and white composition sketch. Stay tuned to see how the final image turned out and find out more tips. My name is Victor, I'm a professional concept artist, and I really hope you'll enjoy this video and find it helpful. Alright, let's start. The first thing I do is establish the horizon line. Afterwards, I'm creating a very simple sketch, just a couple of lines to indicate roughly where I want things to be, all the proportions I like, and how they might look. I've put down a very simple castle design, and I also wanted to have maybe a bridge crossing a river. Okay, now before we're gonna put down some color, let's have a look at how to create a very simple graphic black and white composition. The easiest way is to separate your main planes, your foreground, middle ground and background, and to assign them a certain value. Everything is relative to each other, so you will adjust those values anyways later on. As you can see, I am assigning values to all my elements, and at the same time I'm always making sure that everything is readable and has a nice relationship between each other. Basically, that's your main goal at this stage, is to create meaningful relationships between shapes and values. Now this part is also very important. I'm deciding what kind of light I want to have in my scene, and I'm describing the forms accordingly. Now making sure that the water has some reflective properties, and yeah, basically this is how you create a very quick black and white composition sketch that can help you understand if your idea works out. Alright, now it's time to establish the mood and put down some flat color. As you can see, I lowered the height of the mountains. I thought that there is a need for more breathing room in the upper part of the image. Establishing the sky color, maybe some clouds, and once I know how my lighting works, I'm proceeding with putting down tones and colors for the rest of the environment. In the beginning, at this stage, you can use really broad brush strokes because nothing has to be really defined right now, nothing has to be really specific. Just make sure everything works out, as a whole, and you can convey a very clear idea to the viewer. Now I'm adding some warm lighting to the middle ground and to the background mountains. Okay, now slowly establishing some material information for our castle. And since the castle is our focal point, whenever you reach that point when you're detailing your whole piece, make sure you start with your focal points and then move out towards the other areas that are not as important. Time to work on our foreground. I'm adjusting the values and adding a little bit more information for these trees and the grass in front. I've decided to add another mountain peak in the background, just to add a little bit more depth to our whole environment. Okay, now finally working on our castle and the bridge. I'm gonna add details gradually and see how they work out. a few more details and some polishing, and I think we can look at the final image. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, that really helps a lot. And I hope to see you in the next video, coming soon.